back, my friends. This is Lindsay, and I am back with another daily work from home job lead for you. This one is going to require some phone customer service work, but you are going to be taking and processing orders for healthcare supplies, specifically sleep supplies like PAPS machines. We are going to dive all into it. The links to all the pages I share are directly linked in the YouTube description box below this video if you want to read the reviews on the company or get those applications in. And of course, I just ask that if you enjoy any of these job leads, please give this video a thumbs up like button. That does give me that direct feedback. And if you know anybody who could benefit from these, share with them so we can all work from home, living our happiest, healthiest life. Today's job lead is from the company Better Night. They are helping people get the sleep that they deserve. They only have 20 reviews on Glassdoor, so make sure you're doing your own research on any companies before giving them your personal information. They do have a 4.1 out of 5-star rating. They are hiring a fully remote account coordinator. Now it says the account coordinator is going to work with the customers, including patients, referring physicians, and healthcare systems to ensure that exceptional customer experience is given. This means that you're going to ensure the orders are processed effectively and efficiently from consultation to the PAP setup for assigned accounts. You're going to understand Better Night's operational workflows and support the managers and customers in adhering to them. You're going to maintain solid understanding of Brightree, the Better Night dashboard, and Clarity. And you're going to stay up to date on Better Night's products and services, helping assist in onboarding any new accounts and referral sources. Now, they do prefer an associate's degree, but it is not required. They're looking for somebody who has 2 years experience working with some kind of accounts, someone who can work with account managers or key account managers, sales managers in a relevant role. Of course, you've got to know how to use a computer and specifically those Microsoft Office systems like Excel, Word, and Outlook. Be detail-oriented and a very organized person. Now, unfortunately, pay was not listed in the job description. That'll need to be discussed at the time of the interview. All right, if you've made it to the end of this video, I want to say thank you so much for watching and supporting me. Don't forget, you can always leave in the comments anything specific that you're looking for. Even if I'm not always responding, I do read those and keep a running list and keep my eye out when I am searching for job leads to share. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up like button, share with all your friends and family, and I'll be back really soon with more work from home job leads just for you.